Hello, I'm Timothy Jordan for The Developer Show. This is your weekly update on the coolest developer news from Google. The next version of Mendel Linux is now available for the Coral Dev Board and System on Module. It's got significant updates to improve performance and stability. To learn more about this release and other Coral updates, head on over to the post. Advanced Android in Kotlin is a newly released Udacity course that's free and self-paced. It's intended for those of you who have mastered the basics of building an Android app in Kotlin and want to dive into advanced functionality such as notifications, graphics and animations, third-party authentication for login, and more. With the Cloud Code plugin, you can now access your Stackdriver logs directly in Visual Studio Code. The Cloud Code Logs Viewer helps simplify and streamline the diagnostics process with 3 new features: integration with Stackdriver Logging, customizable Logs Viewer, and Kubernetes-specific filtering. For screenshots and instructions on how to get started, check out the post. We recently announced new web application firewall capabilities for Google Cloud Armor, now available in beta. Cloud Armor now lets you create security policies or expand existing ones to enforce geo-based access controls, pre-configured web application firewall rules, and custom L7 filtering policies using custom rules. The details for these updates are on the post. Speaking of Google Cloud, for more announcements and updates to Google Cloud, check out this post for some of the highlights from Google Cloud Next UK. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. I'm Timothy Jordan for The Developer Show. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.